Dapat next week may uniform ka na para makapasok ka kaagad sa loob.
Alam ko naman yon. Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin sa akin.
Pinapaalala ko lang. Ito na ang room na hinahanap mo.
Excuse me.
Wow. New student. You're late.
Hindi ako late. Sakto lang ang pagdating ko rito sa classroom.
If you read the rules here, baka gusto mo na lang umalis. And let me remind you, if the bell rang before you entered the dot classroom, it means you're late. That's one of the rules here.
Kainis. Sino ba siya para pagsabihan ako?
Hey, here. May space pa sa tabi ko. Hinarangan ka ng Zeke na yun, no?
Oo, anong problema nun?
Normal lang sa kanyang ganon. Mostly new transfer pa. Pero mabait yan. Masasanay ka rin sa kanya. Pero paalala ko lang sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari, ay wag mo siyang papatulan kung ayaw mong mapasok sa nakakatakot na parte ng university na to.
What do you mean?
Mamaya ako na sasabihin sa'yo.
Okay, class, prepare yourself to introduce. You may start now and also put some motto in life.
Ako po si Samuel Matthew, and ang motto ko po ay ang mag-aral ng mabuti para sa pagpingamarap na inaasahan ko.
And I am Samantha Logan, and my motto dot in life is stand in your 2 feet while the ground dot is in the pain.
Wow, deeper meaning. I like that. And Mr. Gonzalez?
Ako naman si Francis Gonzalez, but you can call me Dot France. And my motto in life is may I am not perfect enough, but I'll do my best to be that good person you'll ever known.
You are more than enough, Mr. Gonzalez. And next is Mr. Rigo.
Zeke Rigo and my motto in life? Shut up. That's childish.
Do him ever know how to respect a teacher in front of him? For me, that's childish thing.
All right, Mr. Rigo. Next, the girl in back. You may introduce yourself.
I am Luna Maureen Kim, and my motto in life is that when you wanted to be respected, that you have to respect other.
Smart kid.
1 point for Luna.
Crazy woman.
Since newbie ka pa lang, ay ako na manglilibre sa'yo.
Wag na. Nakakahiya naman sa'yo. At isa pa, may pera naman ako para sa kakainin ko.
Ako na, wag ka nang mahiya sa akin. Parang tour guide mo na rin ako ngayon, Dot. At alam ko naman na susunod ikaw naman ang manglilibre sa akin.
Ikaw ang bahala. Basta hindi kita pinilit na librehan ako.